This week on Fly Rod Chronicles is our part 2 of our Guatemala show with Casa Vieja. I've been doing this for over 20 seasons, and this is a tough show. We edited our first show, and it was awesome. As we got ready to edit this show, we got a call that the owner and our captain, David Salazar, passed away. David was sword fishing and had a heart attack. You know, it just goes to show us how short life can be and how every trip, don't take it for granted. And tomorrow is no guarantee. You know, David, all he talked about on the trip was, his beautiful wife and his beautiful 4 daughters and how great life was. So we're going to do the best that we can do to honor David and his crew. So stick around. It's a great show.
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
Last week's episode down in Guatemala with Casa Vieja was just epic. Everybody caught fish, everyone in my family, and we let the crew fish on this upcoming show. Again, we're paying tribute to David Salazar and his family. David was a great friend of Fly Rod Chronicles, and the passing has really rocked our world. But you'll see David's personality and the great fishing we had with him.
So, David, thank you for having us down here.
Yeah, man.
Heard so much about your business and everything you guys do, and I just thanks for having us down.
Yeah, man. Glad you guys came down, man. Glad you got to see what this is all about and what the fishery's like.
So, when they call this the sailfish capital of the world,
there's a lot of places in the world that call themselves the sailfish capital of the world, but this is it, buddy.
This is it right here.
Truly, 12 months out of the year, you can catch sailfish.
Nice.
Every month of the year, man, there's that week that it's gonna go off and really have a really good bite. So
yeah, and multi-species.
Yeah, we get a lot of blue marlin,
yep,
occasional black marlin, occasional striped marlin.
Yeah,
but mainly it's sailfish and a lot of tuna and a lot of mahis.
So like your staff, you take like Johnny, Ludden. I mean, this isn't just summer jobs for them.
No, this is all full-time. They're year-round pay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all here.
It's not summer camp. You don't hire these rookies.
No.
You get people that...
Most of the guys have been here. They've been here with us the entire time we've been here, so.
Yeah. And we noticed at the lodge, we'd ask people like Mara and how long you been here? 11 years. How long you been here? 9 years. I mean, people don't just come here. You adopt them, don't you?
It's somewhat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's somewhat. Like the guy, Nietzsche, that runs this boat, he's been with us. He's been with me since I got here in '98. He was my original mate. He's been with me, his son. I watched his son grow up. Guys on the finest kind. I watched them all when they were little growing up. So
yeah.
We've been here a long time, and anywhere you go in the world, it's unsafe. But here, my family lives here. My daughters live here. They all go to school here.
Yeah.
So there's no.
We feel it, man. We feel the love, and I can't wait to invite some more friends to come down and hang out.
We'll be here, so hopefully you come down, man.
Thank you, brother.
Right,
appreciate you.
Yeah, man. Let's go fishing now.
All right.
clear, slack. Yeah! Oh! Woo! Amazing! Guatemala! Yay! Yeah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Woo!
Are you sweat?
Yes. Worth it, worth it, worth it. Woo! All right. Is that my glasses or is there? There's purple in there. Did you see it? Purple, yeah. Yes.
Charlie, we're gonna let it go. Oh, hello, Charlie. Dude, that was awesome. No, look, he's still doing it. You gotta be kidding me.
Ah! See, he just needed warmed up.
So we're gonna take a little break, and then what we're gonna do is let the camera guys catch a fish. So they don't know it yet, and we're gonna sneak out and put the rod in their hands.
Got it.
Keep the rod out in front of you.
Yeah.
Do the pull.
Yeah.
Down and down. Whichever way you fight.
Okay. Okay.
Now way
Yeah.
up here. Now way
Yeah.
up there.
In.
Right here.
Yeah. Yep.
Everybody, go, go.
Oh! 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 Right side. Oh yeah, he's on. He's definitely on. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. Nice. Dude, he is running. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Don't only catch smallmouth, my
Yeah,
man.
how about that?
That's a native right there, brother.
So my own daughters turned on me on this deal. You know, Charlie has been very loyal and a great camera guy for us. So I was like, let Charlie fish. Well, as Charlie's hooked up, our guides were saying, hey, another fish, another fish. We've got a shot at a double here. So anytime you can get a double, especially two big sailfish on the fly, I had to grab the rod. I might have stole Charlie's thunder for a little while, but I think he appreciated it, maybe more than just him catching one by himself.
All right, we're good. I see him. Yep. What do you think about that, bud? And here I was beginning to think, I'm like, I might just have to tap out and let somebody else in. I'm glad we didn't. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, one in, one in.
Congratulations, Charlie.
Thank you.
Good job, buddy.
You got this, Curtis. Double. just it's torquing.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
It's just torquing it so hard.
Woo! Give it to him.
You're good. It's just torquing that reel so hard.
Yeah! Yeah! You're the man, David! Woo! Who wants to get a little tipsy and do a bar dance? Yeah!
There we go. We got some jumping. Look at that, Curtis. Look up, look up.
Yeah!
Yeah! You're almost there. Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go. Catch. Get him. Oh,
Look at that.
doubles. Yeah, boys. Johnny, Ludwig. Congrats, boys. That was awesome. That was awesome. Woo.
This summer, we got to go down to ICAST and spend some time with the staff at Casa Vieja. Kirsten, she really does a great job of describing what their resort is all about.
Kirsten, good to see you.
Good to see you. How was your trip?
It was absolutely amazing.
Yeah?
Amazing.
Awesome. Well, that's good to hear.
Everything that you said it was and some.
Well, I actually like to undersell, so when you go down there, it's even better than you expected.
So for our folks out there watching, like, how do you book a trip? What's the easiest, best way to get a hold of you?
So it's actually very easy.
Yeah.
All you got to do is go on our website. We have our emails, phone numbers, everything you need. Give us a call, send us an email. We'll get back to you right away and get you on the books. Pretty much all we need to know is when you can travel, the number of anglers, and what size boat you're looking to fish aboard, and we can get you guys squared away right away.
To book your trip today, visit CasaViejaLodge.com.
Oh my goodness. There we go. Now we got it. There we go. Whew. Finally. Holy cow. He's not happy. Oh. Heck yeah. Yeah, go on. Yeah, he's not happy. Taking me for a run. Heck yeah. Thanks, honey.
I'm getting sore.
No.
You need me to hold him for a little bit?
Nope. You just stand there and look pretty. Almost got him. Damn, we finished it. Almost. So do I. Almost there. Couple more feet. All right, there we go. I know. Freaking awesome.
Wow.
Oh, this is pretty.
You know, out of going on 300 episodes, I gotta say this last episode was really one of the toughest we've ever had to put together. You know, in the first episode, we're in Guatemala, I'm with my family, I'm with the greatest staff in the world, and life is good. Then I get the call that David passed right before we start editing this show. It's been an emotional roller coaster just to know how much he loved his family, his daughters, and his wife. And then we make a fishing show, but we want to show off David's legacy and his love for the sport. David will be an icon. He was a pioneer in sailfishing, and our family got to spend some really valuable time with David. To his family, to his staff, you know, hey, it's tough, and it's going to be tough for a while, and we're sorry for your loss. But David, keep fishing in the golden waters, buddy.